बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा. Students, today we will learn some more rules of divisibility. First we have here rule of divisibility of 8. For this purpose you will check the last three digits. If the last three digits are multiple of 8, then the whole number will be divisible by 8. For this purpose we will divide these last three digits with 8. If they will completely divided by 8, it means it will be the multiple of 8. First we will check these three numbers. We have 290. When we divide 290 with 8, we have here 2 remainder. So 290 is not a multiple of 8. So this number will not be completely divisible by 8. For next number we have last three digits 528. When we divide these numbers with 8, we have here no remainder. So it means 528 is a multiple of 8. So this whole number will be divisible by 8. Now we have here the rule of divisibility of 9. This is the same of the rule of divisibility rule of 3. The sum of the digit will be the multiple of 9, then the whole number will be multiplied divisible of 9. Here we check the first digit. First we have the sum of these digits. 4285 have digits 4, 2, 8, 5. We add them. The answer is 19. The sum of these number is 19. 19 is not a multiple of 9, so this number will not be divisible by 9. Here for next number we have 3, 5, 6, 9 digits. The sum of these digits is 23. 23 is not a multiple of 9, so this number is also not divisible by 9. For next number we have the sum is 27. And 9 3 the 27. 27 is the multiple of 9, so this whole number will be divisible by 9. Now here we have the rule of divisibility of 10. This one is very easy. You will check only the last number at unit place value. If this number is 0, then whole number will be divisible by 10. Here we have 0, so this one will divisible by 10. This one will also, and this one will also, and here we have 9, so this number will not be divisible by 10. And next we have rule of divisibility of 11. This one is a little bit difficult. For this rule you will subtract the alternate numbers on both sides, left and right hand side. Here we have two numbers 4 and 5. You will subtract them. And here we have 6 and 3, you will subtract also them. Then you will take the sum of these subtractions. If this sum will be 0, then this whole number will be divisible by 11. But here when we subtract 4 from 5, we got here minus 1, because the number of minus is greater, so sign will be of minus. Here we have the subtraction answer of this subtraction 3. And the difference is 3. When we add these two difference, we got here 2 answer. So this one is not be divisible by 11. For next we have two numbers. Here we will got the difference of these 6 and 7. We got here minus 1. And when we take the difference of 5 and 4, we have here plus 1. Then we will got the sum of these two numbers, which will be 0. Minus 1 and plus 1 is 0. So this number will be completely divisible by 11. Now check this number by dividing with 11. You will check here we got no remainder, so it will be completely divisible by 11. Okay students. For the rule of divisibility of 25, we will take the last two numbers at 1's and 10th place value. If these two numbers are the multiple of 25, then this whole number will be divided by 25. Here we have 50, 22s are 50, so this number will be divisible by 25. Here we have last two numbers 25. This one is also a multiple of 25, so this will be whole number will be divisible by 25. Here we have 90. 90 is not a multiple of 25, so this one will not be divided by 25. Here we have 85, so this number will also not be divisible by 25. Student, now you will complete your remaining exercise of 3A. Inshallah, we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.